HTML Basics Explained. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. It forms the backbone of web pages and is essential for displaying text, images, links, forms, and other elements within a web browser. Here's some basic concepts about HTML. Tags and elements. HTML documents are constructed using a series of elements, each represented by an HTML tag. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets. Elements consist of an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. Structure. HTML provides a hierarchical structure to organize content. The basic structure of an HTML document includes an opening, doctype declaration, and HTML element containing head and body sections. Head and body. The head section contains metadata about the document, such as the title, links to style sheets, and scripts. The body section contains the visible content that users see in their web browser. Text formatting. HTML allows you to format text using tags like H1 to H6 for headings, P for paragraphs, strong and M for emphasizing text, bar for line breaks, and more. Links. You can create hyperlinks using the tag. The ref attribute specifies the URL of the linked resource. Images. Images can be displayed using the im tag. The srcc attribute specifies the image URL. Lists. HTML supports both ordered numbered and unordered bulleted lists. Forms. HTML provides elements to create interactive forms, such as text inputs, radio buttons, checkboxes, and more. The form element is used to create a form, and various input elements are used to collect user input. Comments. Comments in HTML are written between, and are not displayed in the browser. They are useful for adding notes to your code. Attributes. HTML tags can have attributes that provide additional information about the element. Attributes are usually specified within the opening tag and have a name and a value. Remember that HTML provides the structure and content of a web page, but to style and enhance the page's functionality, you would typically use CSS cascading style sheets and JavaScript, respectively.